Hey guys, it's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I would film a makeup tutorial on the look that I'm wearing right now. It is actually pretty easy to do and I only use my Modern Renaissance palette. I wanted to make this one more of a talk through because I haven't done that in a while and I wanted to talk to you guys. If you guys like this look, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. I got my Pickle Rick shirt on. I'm filming a makeup tutorial. I don't know why I feel so rusty right now. I literally did this a couple weeks ago with you guys. It's just I don't know what's going on in my head right now. Ugh, it's probably because I was sick with the flu for a week and I forgot how to be a normal person, maybe? Yeah. So yeah, I thought that I would start with my eyes this time since I am doing something a little more dramatic. That's what I usually like to do, is start with my eyes and then apply my foundation afterwards, you know, for mess ups and fallout. So I'm just going to be using the Modern Renaissance palette. I wore this out for a date night and I really liked it, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So I prepped my face beforehand off camera and I just needed to do an honorable mention for this product because it is amazing. And I don't even have it yet, I just have these samples that I've been testing out. It's the Cayla's Ultra Facial Cream and yeah, I don't know, I've been using it on my skin and I swear this is just my skin. Just had to mention that because that is my second sample of it, and after I'm done with that I'm probably gonna go buy it because I can't picture not using it now. It's made my skin so amazing. Anywho, the first shade I'm gonna go in with is the Tempera shade, which is this really light shade right here, and I'm just gonna use it as base just like that. And then using my blending brush, I'm actually getting a MAC mini set with eye brushes because I want to feel a little more professional. Now I just feel like brushes really help with looks and I want to get some good quality ones. Probably zoom in on my eyes, right? Since we're doing an eye look right now. Using my blending brush, I'm going to go in with the shade Cyrus Umber, which is this really dark brown right here. And I'm going to put that in my crease, just like that. All through there. So after that, you're going to have this dark brown shade right here. I went to go watch Halloween with my boyfriend. That wasn't good. I don't know. I was never a fan of the original Halloween, so that might be why too. But I just don't think that Michael Myers is scary. He walks 2 miles per hour and he gets so much done. I don't know. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? He does the most in 2 seconds going 2 miles per hour as the person running away from him that's in a car. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Love Letter, which is this beautiful pink shade right here. And I'm going to put that also in my crease, but only on the outer edges. I literally have not used this palette in ages, and I don't know why after using it again. This is one of the most breathtaking color schemes I've had in a palette, and I don't know what I was doing. If you haven't touched it either, try touching it again because you're probably going to be like, wow. I'm glad I bought this palette years ago. And then I went in with Antique Bronze, which is this bronze shade with a little bit of glitter flecks inside of it. I'm going to pack that into the outer corners of my crease just to really define the darkness, just this part of the brush. I'm just going to go in to my lids with the shade Vermeer, which is the shade that I've totally hit the pan on, and I'm just gonna apply that here like this to the inner part of my lid, just like that. Yeah. And then I used this brush that's just from my Naked palette, I'm pretty sure, one of them, and it's another blending brush, but it's kind of rough, so I don't actually use it when I'm blending. But it's clean, and I'm just gonna smudge that in a little bit just to blend that part so it's not so harsh looking. And then I'm also gonna do that to the top. That is it for my eyes right now. So I've been using my Laura Mercier Moisturizing Silk Foundation again, which is this one right here. Let's do this. Let's make this official, guys. Can you see that? Come on. There you go. This one right here, it is so old. I need to I don't know, get a new one. I definitely need to get a new one. I've been trying to figure out which foundation I wanted to get. I was going to get the new Dior one. I forgot what it's called. But I like got this one in a darker shade, which is this little sample here. Got it again, and I fell in love all over again with this foundation. What I was saying is that I got like a darker shade and I have my lighter shade because I feel like I've gotten less tan. My face is always like not as yellow as my arm. Jeez. So we're gonna fix that. So I have this makeup sponge. I got it because Kathleen Lights used it, and you know, if Kathleen Lights says something is good, you buy it because it's Kathleen Lights. And yeah, it's supposed to like give like an airbrush look, and I really do think it does. I wet it beforehand, just so you know. But I will say it was like super cheap, so you get what you pay for, but you can see that it's like actually coming off. So if you do watch your video and you want to get this, just keep that in mind. I probably am gonna have to go buy another beauty blender. What are you gonna do? So I'm gonna put this on my face. So let's just talk about this foundation, I guess. The reason why I love it so much, because I tend to have drier skin. It obviously is a moisturizing foundation, and that is why I get it, and I think it actually moisturizes very well without making your face look oily afterwards, which is like a huge thing for me. And it just goes on so well. Like, look at that. Down, 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 down. And look at that, just like that. My face is a little closer to my arm, just a little bit. But like I said before, your arm and face are your arm and face are cousins, not sisters. But yeah, I just feel like this is the foundation that makes my skin look alive and moisturized and not dry, and it never has like those dry spots around your nose or anything. Like, this is my go-to. If you have like kind of like dry skin, definitely check it out. Get the little samples like I do. You don't need to go out and just buy it and then be disappointed if you don't like it. Okay, so after that, I'm going to use my concealer. It's just a Laura Mercier concealer. I was literally trying so many concealers, trying to figure out which one I like, and I don't know why I didn't just try Laura Mercier in the first place, because it's all I like to use. But yeah, I fell in love with this. I got a sample in the mail and I was like, this is my concealer. And I'm just gonna blend that. Look at that. It definitely works so well. Nose, on my nose, on my chin. I will tell you, I've literally been obsessed with Bella Fiore. I've been watching all of her like unsolved murder videos, and I'm like a little crazy now, but I'm so obsessed with him. If you have no idea who that is, you should check her out. I'll link her down below. She doesn't need the promotion, but I'm gonna give it to her anyway. Okay, now since like that is done, I'm going to apply my contour to my face. I have been bougie as hell and I bought the Chanel Soleil Détan bronzer, and yes, it is just as amazing as everyone says. Like, it's actually amazing. I don't think I will ever go back to anything else, and it's gonna last me so freaking long. There's so much product in here, and I've just been using it to contour my face when I do like full looks like this. I don't contour my face every day. Put it right there, just like that, and then I brush upwards because I saw somewhere that that is what you should do. Put it up here. Try to add color to like my entire face. As you can see, I don't know, man, I'm just really white. Put that down the bridge of my nose to warm up there and make it look scrawny. Also gonna apply it to the bottom of my chin. And now I got like the sharpest heart face in the world. Also forgot to mention that I use this MAC 1645 brush. I got it when I bought this bronzer. The MAC lady was like, this will be the blush you will use and you will like it with it. And I do. This is not how she sounded at all. So everything on my face has been like cream, foundation, concealer. Now I go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder. Do you guys see how much that bronzer helped my face? Like, it's a miracle worker. I'm just gonna use my translucent powder on my face. I feel sit. We're gonna go back into our eyes. I'm gonna go back in with that very small liner brush that looks like that. And I'm gonna go back in with Love Letter with this. I put that all on the bottom lash line. Yes. Good job, Kayla. I take my smudger brush and I'm just gonna smudge the pink out. And I'm gonna go in with Antique Bronze again. And I'm gonna put that on my bottom lash line too, but pretty close to my waterline. I'm only gonna put it like where the iris of my eye is. So there. I don't put it like from here because I saw somewhere that makes your eyes look bigger. And I'm for that, you know? I'm all for that. This right here. And then up there. And I'm gonna go apply my eyeliner off camera because I just can't do it anymore. But I will let you know which one I'm using. It's the Benefit Their Real eyeliner. I actually think I want to start trying another one again. I wanted to try the Fenty eyeliner that she came out with, so if anyone's used that, let me know if it's good. If it's not, I'll just go back to my tattoo liner. No big deal. Or if you guys have any recommendations for like something that's kind of easy to make wings, let me know. Comment down below. Let me know what eyeliner you guys use and I'll check it out. I'll be right back. And now I'm going to finish up my face. So I'm going to put my blush on my face now. I'll be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Doll Face. Has anybody been as obsessed with Ariana Grande as me lately? I'm pretty sure the answer is yes. I'm pretty sure you're going, yes! I'm gonna go in the Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. Had this for a very long time. It's my favorite highlighter. And I'm gonna put that on my face, apply that to my nose, just like that. Apply it right there. And then I apply it to the bottom of my brow too. And then I'm gonna be using this little brush right here. Ooh. And then I'm gonna put that in my inner corners of my eye too, my highlight. I'm gonna go on with my Better Than Sex mascara because you know it's my favorite. Wait, have you guys watched Chilling Adventures of Sabrina? That was so good. When I had the flu for a week, that's all I watched. I was just in my bed watching Sabrina dying. Not completely sad about it, I guess, because I was watching that. It's also my Halloween costume. I'm gonna insert the photo. I was Sabrina the Teenage Witch. Okay, so let's go in with our lips now. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in the shade Iconic Nude. Oh, hold on, I have some chapstick on my lips. I'm gonna wipe it off on my shirt. LOLs. I've been using this lip liner like every makeup look I've been wearing. I've been putting this on, and just this. Like, I don't put any lipstick on with it. I just think it is the prettiest nude I've ever seen. So this is it. This is the final look. I think it's like the perfect date night makeup, perfect night out if you're going out with your girlfriends. If you guys like this makeup look, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to keep updated with me, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye!